Hey everybody, welcome back again. So if you are looking to pass your CKA exams, then you are actually on the right channel to get you certified the right way. So in case you don't know me, I'm the founder of CodeJanitor, and I'm also recently CKA certified, and I've made it my mission to help engineers like you clear their exams without overthinking. Okay, so without further much ado, let's jump right into solving an Ingress question that CKA loves to throw at you. So you might face a question on Ingress. It might say to create an Ingress resource. So you need to know how to create an Ingress resource. So in this example, it says create a new Ingress resource named Echo in the namespace Echo Sound. Now the context is the following resources already exist: namespace Echo Sound and deployment Echo that serves HTTP on port 8080, and then its service is Echo service, and then the type is node port and the port is 8080. Now if I'm taking the exams again, in order to save time, the first thing to think about is, okay, this is the context, so what is the first task that we need to do? The first task we need to do is to create an Ingress resource. So we need to create an Ingress resource. So how do we create an Ingress resource? So go to documentation, Kubernetes.io, and then search for Ingress, and then boom, then we have the Ingress resource here. I will come down. You can copy and edit this one, but usually I find this one to be very much effective because it has everything that we need. It says host path, so we need host. So again, it has that, so I will just go ahead. My environment is already prepped, and again, if you need access to the same prep materials, please check the description down below to get access to the prep environment so you can practice it. Okay, please practice, because you can watch me doing it, but if you haven't practiced it, you can't actually still do it. When you go to the exams, you will see that, oh, I saw a similar question or a similar practice test, but then again, you can't really solve it because you haven't practiced it. If you haven't practiced it, you can't do it. So it says we need to create the Ingress resource, right? So vim ingress.yaml, and then I will paste it here. Now I'll click I to go into the insert mode. You need to be very fast during the exams. If you practice this, then at least you should be able to spend about 2 to 3 minutes max on this type of question, because this is not one of the questions that will take a lot of brain power if you know how to do it already. So we need to create a new Ingress resource named Echo. So first of all, copy the name, copy and paste all the time. If you don't want problem, copy and paste. But if you want problem, then if you don't want peace, then try and type it by yourself. Okay, so name is Echo, and then the namespace is also Echo Sound, namespace Echo Sound. Put it here, and then we have the host. We need the host. So it says create an Ingress so that the host is example.org, but then let's say in the exams it gives us host, and we have this host here. So we will copy it and we will paste it here. Again, the backend service is Echo service. The backend service is also Echo service, Echo service, Echo service, and then the port is 8080, and then we need to use a valid type. So this is a valid type, so we won't do anything to it now. Then we put 8080 here. No, 8080. Okay, but this path is wrong, so let's check the question again. And then the path is also Echo, so we have the path to be Echo. So again, you come here and then say Echo. Now if you say Echo, then in the real life you have echo example.org./echo, and then again the path again will become echo because you have this path here, so you don't have to add echo here. Okay, so you were wise enough, you did that, you didn't add echo there. And then we will save the file. Let's save it. Let's try and apply. Okay, what do you think will happen when we apply this? You can comment down below. Okay, apply -f ingress. Now we start to panic in the exams because we got the host name right, everything is almost all right, but then we got this error message, and then we start to panic in the exams. Please don't panic. Just take your time. Just read it carefully. The ingress echo is invalid. The rule host invalid value. You know, we have invalid value. Lowercase RFC subdomain contains lowercase and numeric, so it's all is saying that it contains items that does not belong here. So we in the exams you might be under time pressure, so you can't actually think under time pressure, but all it says is to not add the http:// those are not allowed. Okay, so we only need the domain. We only need the domain. So whenever you hear the host, think about domain. So whatever URL you get in exams, look for the domain in the URL and then map it to that path. Okay, so let's go back to our edits. So now we can see the host should not contain, let's remove this one, the host should not contain // and then http. It only needs the domain, and then the path is this one. Okay, that's all. Let's save it and then clear the screen. Now let's try and apply again. Apply -f ingress. Boom, we've successfully created the ingress resource. That's all we need to do, and then we can run a command to validate. But if you don't have time, again in the exams, don't waste your time. If you can see the ingress is created and then you can validate it, so get ingress -n, and then it's echo namespace. So we have it here. Once you can see that, no problem. Okay, now let's check our work. So check. Now we can see we have successfully gained all the points for this kind of task. Again, if you follow the steps as we have done here sequentially, you'll be able to do a task like this on coming your test day. If you are here, I know you know Kubernetes already, but you just want to feel comfortable sitting the exams. And if you practice this, I don't see a reason why you shouldn't feel comfortable sitting your exams. And if you get a question on Ingress, which definitely you might get a question on Ingress, you really need to know how to solve it. So without further much ado, share this video so that your friends can also get to pass the exams without overthinking. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments so we can always do better. Okay, you help me, I help you. Have a nice day and see you in the next one.